I'm just getting ready for the day with my little Glossier mug. I want to start using it every single day now, but right now I'm just getting ready for my day. But I wanted to share with you guys my Spotify Wrapped because I feel like these are just so fun to share. I love seeing what like people listen to. We shared our Spotify Wraps in the book club Discord, but I wanted to share it with you guys as well. I want you guys to tell me like what your Spotify Wrapped was as well. I feel like my Spotify Wrapped is pretty accurate besides like two things I have issues with. My top songs were Praise Jah in the Moonlight, which is crazy that that's #1. I do remember when that song came out, I was like really hyper fixated and we were going to Hawaii, so I was just banging that song literally every single day. I haven't listened to it in a hot minute, so I'm like, how is that #1? Second is Gata Only. That makes sense. Like, come on, I love that song. Third is Nueva Vida. That makes sense. I love that song by Peso Pluma. 4 is Saturn by SZA. And then 5th is honestly hilarious to me. Just for some context, I am not a Swiftie, okay? I do not listen to Taylor Swift. I have no hate towards her or the fandom. I'm just not a Swiftie. I just do not gravitate towards her music. However, I love sped up versions of songs because TikTok has completely rewired my brain to really just hyperfixate on sped up versions of songs. I was on TikTok one time and the song Don't Blame Me by Taylor Swift sped up was playing and I was just so obsessed. I ended up finding it on Spotify and for like a couple months I just was so hyper fixated on it. It just gave me such good happy vibes and it somehow landed on my top 5 songs as #5. So that is hilarious to me because I just do not listen to Taylor Swift, but that song Don't Blame Me sped up is just so good. And then my top artist #1 was Bad Bunny. I don't know how I feel about this because I love Bad Bunny, don't get me wrong, but I haven't listened to just like solely his albums in forever. I feel like him being #1 on my top artist makes sense because he's featured on a lot of like reggaeton songs, so I guess it makes sense. Second is SZA. Third is Peso Pluma. That definitely makes sense. I love Peso Pluma. Fourth is Mike Towers. That also makes sense. I'm a huge Mike Towers fan. We literally saw him at the club in Vegas when we lived there and we had VIP front row to Mike Towers. I will never forget that night. And then 5th is YG Marley, which again, that only makes sense because my top song was Praise Jah in the Moonlight. Yeah, that is my Spotify Wrapped. Let me know what your Spotify Wrapped is or your Apple Wrapped is, whatever you use. I'm so interested to see what other people listen to. But now I'm gonna listen to my holiday playlist. I'm slowly building my playlist of songs I genuinely enjoy. So I'm gonna play some music. I'm gonna start off with some Mistletoe by Justin Bieber and just get ready for the day. I just got dressed for the day. I'm obsessed with this top that I got from Brandy in a few vlogmas episodes back. I love the boat neckline. I feel like it's just so flattering. I just love long sleeves. Like, it's honestly kind of giving Ariana Grande with her sleeves, but anyways. Then you guys look at these earrings. I'm absolutely obsessed. I actually thrifted these a while back and I just haven't gotten around to using them because I've just been in my like silver era, but I'm obsessed. It kind of looks like the Heaven Mayhem collection, except I got these for $8. I swear my best jewelry is from the thrift store because it's just so unique and most of the times it's made with just like really good material, but I can't get over these. They genuinely look like the Heaven Mayhem ones, except it's way more affordable. And also I'm kind of obsessed with my hair right now. I know I've been wearing my hair up in a slick back bun looking like an egg in every single vlog, but it was because my hair was just at an awkward bob length. I got a bob this year for the first time and it was like literally chin height. I went crazy with the bob and I'm trying to grow it out because I kind of miss my long hair. I used to have really long hair with layers and I kind of miss that era. I miss her. I feel like my hair is finally showing some like growth progress. I just think short hair looks so chic and timeless. I am enjoying the little grow out. And while we're here, I mentioned in a previous vlogmas episode that I wanted to do a giveaway to just express my gratitude to you guys. My YouTube community genuinely means the world to me. I love our cozy little corner on the internet, and so I want to do my first holiday giveaway. We've got tons of goodies in this pile. We got some Rare Beauty, YSL, some Gisou, and a good mix of makeup and skincare. So my requirements for this giveaway is that, one, you have to be US based. I'm so sorry to my international besties. At this time, this is open to only the US. You have to be subscribed to my YouTube channel, and you have to be following me on Instagram. My Instagram handle is at Gabrielle Aihara. Once you're done subscribing and following me on Instagram, comment down below what you are grateful for this holiday season. I just want us to share this gratitude energy into this holiday season. I know it can be a tough time for some. I'm just hoping that expressing gratitude amongst our community will make the holidays just a little brighter for everyone. Yeah, make sure to enter the giveaway. I'll be announcing the winner very, very soon, and I will definitely be doing one in the near future. Again, thank you so much for supporting me and being here on my YouTube. I'm so grateful for you. The things that I'm most grateful for this holiday season is the mental and physical health of myself, my loved ones, my boyfriend, my friends. Make sure to enter our first vlogmas giveaway. I'm so excited, and good luck. Did a quick tidy of the room and showered, and now I'm just getting ready for bed. I started a book sprint in the book club to see if anyone wanted to join me to read before I head to bed. I'm gonna pick back up with When the Moon Hatched. I've been so distracted reading our December books of the month that I've been just neglecting When the Moon Hatched. I just feel like I've been so busy already this month with reading and with vlogmas and with like work things that I just completely abandoned this world, and I'm so sad. So I want to enter the world again. I have about 25% left, and the tabs are tabbing. My goal is to finish this by this week, so that way I can focus like solely on my books of the month and just work our way through our December TBR, because we have a fat TBR this month. Yeah, I'm really enjoying this book so far. I just really love the FMC, and I'm really intrigued to see where the plot goes from here. So I'm gonna join a little book sprint in the book club and read for the rest of the night.